Thanks for watching, guys. That's the unboxing and setup of Double Dealer Transformer Cybertron War Cybertronian. This Double Dealer looks pretty awesome with the blue red combo gray. Got the blue face Decepticon. Right? Is he Decepticon? I don't know. I gotta check the manual again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This is my Karts Toys, bros. This is my first Transformer. Probably not my last, but one of the first, and a good one. He has the warhead on the shoulder, and he does have a plasma rifle with the little hookup of a rifle on the shoulder. Suppression rifle, crowd suppression. He does transform into 3 different modes. This transformer right here, and check out the jetpack on the back. Also got a jetpack. Decepticons attack. This is a cool toy right here. Awesome toy. They go for like $30 or more. Got a deal on this one. It's only $19.99. We do unbox Transformers on this channel. If you want to check out some older ones, they're down there. My Karts Toys. Got this manual. I'm just looking through the manual, and we got a lot of different what do you call it, transformations. That's the one we got right now, the normal dealer robot form. But we also have this eagle. Looks like it turns into like some kind of eagle, phoenix, or what are they called? What are they called? I don't know, like the animal body with the bird head and the wings. And then over here, man, there's a lot of stuff to do, bros. There's like the warhead loader or whatever. I don't know. You know what? We'll do this in another video because this is just gonna take forever. Yeah, so keep watching. Upload, I guess, 2 more videos of the transformation. Maybe 1 more video of the transformations. I'm done with this shit. I'm out of here. It just takes too long, bros. But thanks for watching, yo. We got the what do you call him? Forgot his name already. Oh, double dealer. He's gonna deal you double. Probably can't be good. Someone dealing you double. Decepticons attack. Thanks for watching Paperboy Entertainment. Have a Merry Christmas. I'll be right back with more My Karts Toys.